Are you staring at your Kickresume subscription, wondering if there's a secret handshake or a hidden trapdoor to cancel it? You're not alone. In today's digital landscape, signing up for services is often a breeze, but unsubscribing can sometimes feel like navigating a labyrinth designed by a mischievous minotaur. Whether you've landed your dream job, found a better resume builder, or are simply tightening your budget, the need to cancel a subscription is a common one. And when it comes to Kickresume, a fantastic tool for crafting professional CVs and cover letters, the process isn't overly complicated, but it's not always immediately obvious either. Think about it. You've invested time and effort into building a stunning resume, maybe even landed a few interviews thanks to Kickresume's slick templates and intuitive interface. It's been a valuable asset, but circumstances change. Perhaps you've been offered a position that renders your job search obsolete, or you've discovered a free alternative that meets your current needs. Maybe you just need to cut back on recurring expenses. Whatever your reason, you deserve a straightforward path to manage your subscriptions, and that includes canceling them when the time comes. This isn't about criticizing Kickresume. In fact, it's a brilliant platform that empowers countless job seekers. This is about empowering you with the knowledge to manage your digital subscriptions effectively. We've all been there. Signing up for a free trial, forgetting about it, and then being surprised by a charge a month later. Or perhaps you committed to a long-term plan, only for your circumstances to shift unexpectedly. The goal here is to demystify the cancellation process for Kickresume specifically, ensuring you can manage your account with confidence and ease. So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. How exactly do you cancel your Kickresume subscription? The good news is that it doesn't involve deciphering ancient hieroglyphs or performing any complex digital rituals. The process is designed to be user-friendly, although a little guidance can certainly make it even smoother. The very first step, as with most online services, is to log in to your Kickresume account. You'll need your email address and password handy. If you've forgotten your password, don't fret. There's usually a clear, forgot password link that will guide you through the recovery process. Once you're logged in, you're looking for your account settings or profile section. This is typically where all your personal information, billing details, and subscription management options reside. Look for icons that suggest settings, a gear symbol, or a drop-down menu associated with your profile picture or name in the top right corner of the screen. Once you've navigated to your account settings, you'll want to locate the section related to your subscription or billing. This might be labeled Subscription, Billing, Plan, or Manage Plan. This is where Kickresume provides you with an overview of your current subscription plan, its renewal date, and critically, the option to make changes to it. Within this subscription management area, you should find a clear option to cancel subscription or downgrade plan. Kickresume, like many subscription services, often gives you the option to simply downgrade to a free plan rather than completely closing your account. This can be a good option if you still want access to your saved resumes but no longer need the premium features. However, if your goal is a full cancellation and no further charges, then you'll want to select the Cancel Subscription option. Now, here's where a little bit of user experience design comes into play. Some companies might present you with a series of prompts or questions about why you're canceling. This isn't usually an attempt to trick you into staying, but rather to gather feedback and understand how they can improve their service. Be honest in your feedback. It helps them, and it typically won't hinder your cancellation process. You might also be offered an incentive to stay, such as a discount for a few months. If you're absolutely set on canceling, politely decline and continue with the process. After confirming your intention to cancel, Kickresume will likely ask you to confirm your decision one final time. This is a crucial step to ensure that you haven't accidentally clicked the wrong button. Once you confirm, you should receive an email confirmation of your cancellation. This email is important to keep for your records, as it serves as proof that you have indeed terminated your subscription. Always double-check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your primary inbox. It's also important to understand the timing of your cancellation. If you cancel mid-billing cycle, you'll typically retain access to the premium features until the end of your current paid period. Kickresume, like most legitimate services, doesn't usually offer prorated refunds for cancellations made mid-cycle. So, if your subscription renews on the 15th of the month and you cancel on the 5th, You'll still have premium access until the 15th, but you won't be charged for the next billing period. Planning your cancellation closer to your renewal date can maximize the value of your current subscription. What if you encounter an issue? What if you can't find the cancellation button, or you're having trouble logging in? This is where Kickresume's customer support comes in. Don't hesitate to reach out to their support team. Most reputable online services provide clear ways to contact them, whether through a help center, a support email, or a live chat function. Provide them with as much detail as possible, including your account email and any screenshots of the issue you're facing. They are there to assist you and ensure a smooth experience, even when you're leaving their service. In summary, canceling your Kickresume subscription is a straightforward process that involves logging into your account, navigating to your subscription or billing settings, and selecting the option to cancel or downgrade your plan. Remember to confirm your decision and keep an eye out for that all-important cancellation confirmation email. It's about taking control of your digital subscriptions and ensuring that you only pay for what you need, when you need it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.